guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about two highly effective face moisturizers which will treat your skin pigmentation, dark spots, acne scars as well as hyperpigmentation easily from your skin. These two face creams are really great in making your skin really bright, glowing and even toned and makes your skin crystal clear and spotless. And both these face creams are made up of all natural ingredients and has really effective ingredients into it which really works onto your acne, pimples and dark spots and make them disappear really fastly. So now let's see how to prepare this homemade skin pigmentation and dark spot removal cream. So to prepare this cream, we firstly gonna need neem powder, and here I'm just taking approx half a teaspoon of neem powder into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need rose water, and here I'm just adding a little bit of rose water into it, and I'm just mixing both these ingredients well so that they makes a smooth paste. And after mixing them well, we just have to strain this paste so that we can get a very fine paste to prepare our cream. And now next up, we are going to need glycerin, and here I'm adding approx half a teaspoon of glycerin into it. Next up, we are going to need vitamin E oil, and here I'm adding approx half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And after adding this oil, just give a slight mix to all these ingredients so that they all combine well. And after mixing them well, now it's time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And now after adding the aloe vera gel, just mix until it makes into a creamy and a smooth consistency cream. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade neem cream is ready. This cream should be supremely creamy and glossy as I'm showing you in the video. So now to store this cream, I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight container. You can use any airtight container to store this cream, and this cream is highly effective in treating your dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, and it also treats your pimples very easily. This cream also helps in skin brightening, skin lightening and skin tightening. It also has anti-aging benefits into it, so it will fade away your fine lines and wrinkles as well. And you can store this cream in refrigerator for up to 30 days. And to use this cream is supremely easy. Just use this cream as you normally use any other cream. Just apply a generous amount of this cream onto your skin and gently massage it in upward and circular motion, and let this cream absorb deeply into your skin. And yeah, for the best results, you just have to use this cream once or twice in a day. And now let's see how to prepare the second dark spots and pigmentation removal cream. So now let's just prepare this cream, and to prepare this cream, we firstly gonna need amla powder, which is also known as Indian gooseberry powder. And here I'm just taking approx half a teaspoon of this amla powder into a clean bowl. Next up, you're gonna need rose water, and here I'm just adding approx 1 to 2 teaspoons of rose water into it. So just add enough rose water so that it makes a medium consistency paste. And after mixing both these ingredients well, you need to strain this paste so that all the lumps, dirt and the impurities could discard from this paste. And after straining this paste, now we are going to need olive oil, and here I'm just adding half a teaspoon of olive oil into it. And after adding the olive oil, you're gonna need vitamin E oil, and here I'm adding approx 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. And if you're using the vitamin E capsules, just use 1 vitamin E capsule. And after adding both these oils, just give a slight mix to all these ingredients so that they all combine well. And now lastly, you're gonna need aloe vera gel, and here I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of aloe vera gel into it. And now after adding the aloe vera gel, just mix until it makes into a smooth and a creamy consistency. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade amla cream is ready, and it will look something like this. This amla cream is really smooth and creamy in consistency, as you can see in the video. It has no lumps, so your cream should not have any lumps, and it should be really creamy, glossy and smooth as I'm showing you in the video. And if your cream is a little runny, then add more aloe vera gel into it to make into a fluffy and a creamy cream. So the easiest way to store this amla cream is to store in an airtight container. Here I'm just transferring this cream into this small airtight jar, and you can store it in any airtight container for up to 10 to 15 days in refrigerator. So this amla cream is really beneficial for your skin. It really brightens up your skin tone, lightens your dark spots, acne scars, blemishes, and removes all types of skin discoloration from your skin. It also treats skin pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, so it will really make your skin spotless and clear. This amla cream also helps in fading away your wrinkles and fine lines. So it's a very good anti-aging cream which brightens and lightens your skin tone as well. So now let me tell you how to use this cream for best results. So just take a little amount of this this cream onto your fingertips. You can just use this cream as you use any other cream. Just treat it as your normal cream and just apply a generous amount of this cream onto your skin really well. And after applying it, just leave it like that overnight, or you can even use this cream as your day cream. And for the best results, you should use this cream once or twice in a day. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you liked this video, and if you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.